Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to one and all present over here, depending on the place where you live. I am Meghana BMV RSS, currently studying in class 10 in MDAV Public School, Miapur, Hyderabad. Today, I would like to discuss the problem statement which I worked upon, my idea, why I have chosen this problem statement, my research survey that I have done before starting developing the website, the solution which I came up with. After that, I would like to show you my website and explain its features, the disadvantages and advantages, my future scope and the references. The problem statement on which I worked upon. Develop a website for teacher-student management during online classes. So, this website should be user-friendly interface, easily understandable, secure, and also should have some specific controls and features. Why I have chosen this problem statement? In this COVID-19 pandemic, schools and colleges are forced to shift from classroom to online teaching. Classes are conducted through virtual platforms. Homework has become digital. The new normal in education is the increased use of online learning tools. Digital learning has emerged as a necessary resource for students, schools, colleges all over the world. Hence, in this project, I would like to develop a website for effective teacher-student management during online classes. And that website is Connect. The salient features of this website Connect are login details of students, monitoring of students, alerts, notice boards, assignments. Before I started developing the website, I have gone through some of the online platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams and Google Classroom. The solution which I came up with this website is Connect. Now I would like to show you my website and explain its features. This is my website which I have developed for effective teacher-student management during online classes. This website is named as Connect. So at the starting, you'll be able to see a small brief description about what Connect is. Coming to the main section of this website, that is features of Connect. They are classrooms, assignments, my guide, my profile, schedule meetings or attendance, and it is also a user-friendly website. Coming to the classrooms, when you click onto this icon, you'll be able to see a form wherein you can enter your name, email ID, classroom ID, and when you click on to submit, you'll be added to the classroom. Coming to the assignments tab, over here you'll see all the assignments posted by your teacher. Generally, in the online platforms available as of now, they show you the assignments in order according to the timing posted. But this website rearranges your assignments according to the timeline or deadline. Coming to the next feature, that is my guide. Over here in this, you will have two sections, that is my books and notice board and alertments. In the first section, that is my books, you'll be able to see books or Google Forms or assignments which are to be uploaded. When you click on to this book, you'll directly go to the Wikipedia and you can read. In the same way as of Google Form and in the same way as of your assignments, you can upload them by clicking over there. Coming to the next segment and the main segment which is not available in any of the platform is notice board and alertments. Notice board. When a teacher posts a message in this notice board, the students can see, all the students of the class can see. Generally, it is taken for extracurricular activities or co-curriculum activities. Alertments. This is a section which is seen by that particular student. If a child has below 60% attendance or the deadline for submission of activity has been crossed, there will be an alertment posted. So he can see and rectify it. In the same way, if you have joined 10 minutes late to the class or if you leave the class before end of the meeting, you will be marked as absent. So this alertments is not available in any of the platform and this can only be seen by that particular student. Coming to the next one, my profile. Over here you can see your name, your email ID, classroom ID, and also your profile picture and description, which is very optional. Coming to the login details, you will be able to see the login time, logout time, and the time used. Generally, in the online platforms available as of now, show you login time and logout time in such a way that if a student joins at 10 o'clock and leaves at 10 to and again rejoins at 10 4 and leaves at 10:06, it shows you 4 columns with entry time and exit time. But what if the teacher has to calculate how much time a student has attended the meeting or listened to the class? This website allows that. Over here, you can directly see the time used. That means it directly calculates the exit time minus entry time and shows you the time used, wherein you can directly see how much time you have attended to your classes. As mentioned before, if you join 10 minutes late before 10 minutes late to the class, you will be marked as absent, and number of late attended classes will be counted here. Coming to the next feature, attendance. When you attend a meeting, and you can fill the form over here. You click your name, email ID, date of session attended, any feedback or doubts, and when you submit it, your attendance will be marked. I have developed something called attendometer. Over here, you can see how much time you have attended or used this website. So I also wanted to develop a thing if I had time, like a semicircle shape which had a pointer. So if a student's percentage is below 50%, it goes to the left side showing the red color, and if it's between 50 to 70, the pointer stays in the middle, that is the yellow color, and if it's above 70%, it goes to the right side, that is green color. If I had time, I would definitely develop this. Coming to the next segment, over here you can access the drive links and you can view them. Instead of downloading the PDFs or downloading the Excel sheets, you can directly access the links. This is my profile and my idea about this website. While developing this website, I faced a difficulty that how will I be able to express my idea to a person who is unknown to me. How will he be able to access this website? So I thought of creating this Start Your Free Trial Now. So when you're new to this website and using it for the first time, you can enter your name, email ID, and you can start now. Here are 3 simple steps that are register, login, explore and create, share and invite. So I have came up with this solution so that each and every person can access this website very easily. For further queries, you can email us or contact us. Coming to the latest news and developments which are to be implemented in this website will be shown here. Coming to the last part of the website, that is the footer, it is all about us. Coming back to my PPT, there's advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: it is user friendly, easy to navigate and monitor, effective login details, attendometer, alerts, notice boards, no storage required. Disadvantages: affordability, location constraints, network issues. Coming to the future scope, what I have to develop in my future. Student point of view. Monitoring of student performance right from day 1 to last day in terms of attendance percentage, marks, participation in extracurricular activities, etc. Teacher point of view. Tracking of performance of students in every subject, strategies for slow learners, additional inputs for good performance in terms of competitive exams, class average, etc. Principal point of view. To monitor teachers' performance through effective feedback system, covering the questions on time management, usage of word, audio video clarity, etc. I have taken references from Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Classroom. Thank you. I hope you liked my website.